Hi, this is Rand Brenner, and I'd like to welcome you to my upcoming workshop, Licensing Strategies to Survive and Thrive in a Down Economy. Now, I put this workshop together because we're going through some unprecedented times, and looking ahead, we don't know what the outcome is. The economy is a huge question for everybody, and a big part of that is what is it going to be and what is it going to look like and how is it going to impact our businesses. That's where licensing and your intellectual property can play a major role. Realize it's an agile asset, and what you're able to do with it as a business, as a startup, is you're able to use it to help your business adapt to this changing marketplace. Major upheavals and changes to markets and the economy are opportunities for innovation and growth. And it doesn't matter how big the economic calamity is. History shows that there are always entrepreneurs who see the opportunities and businesses who rethink their business model in order to survive and thrive in rough economic times. So join me at this workshop and find out how you can use your intellectual property to survive through the downturn and thrive in the upswing to come. Thanks, and I look forward to seeing you at the workshop.